Dear listener, you are listening to the 111 Tips for Learning a Language podcast. I will be presenting to you tip 14. Be in your comfort zone as you listen to my voice. My aim is to inspire learning in a relaxed manner. In our last episode, we talked about listening to videos in your learning language. Now, in this episode, I want you to write in the language you are learning. You can write a short post on your hobbies, your job. What would you do if you had all the time in the world, or about anything you feel like? You can post your writing on a language learning community, on a social media language learning platform, or a forum. You can ask for feedback on your writing. Other learners may comment on your writing. Who knows if you would make a friend or two who is learning the same language as you are. When you have friends who are learning the same language, learning becomes easier because you have a friend to talk about the challenges in learning the language. Or perhaps a teacher would be there to correct your writing. Other people may give suggestions or tips to improve your writing. You never know who is going to reply to your post, and that is the fun part. If worst comes to the worst, no one responds to your writing, you can at least say that you have gained exposure from your very own writing. Posting your writing to the world improves your confidence, and it makes you more disciplined as you check and double check your writing for mistakes before you post. So, you would post writing which is of higher quality compared to writing for yourself in your own notebook. With that, I wish you good luck. Wishing you inspired learning, and you'll hear from me in our next episode.